Alright guys, here at Evansville, Southern Indiana Antique Machinery Show. I made it down to the tractors. It's raining, but I made it. So I'm going to try to get through here before the rain gets too bad. Beautiful 4020 diesel. Those are kind of neat. Got this guy weighted down. Beautiful paint job on it. Gotta love the cleaner up there. It's soft out here, but it's not muddy yet. I'm gonna pause. We're gonna watch this cruise by. Very cool. Calf. Beautiful. Neat. That's what I love about getting out to these shows. You can actually see things like that in person, running, working, going up and down the rows. It's pretty awesome. Let's kind of wandering around here. I always thought these were really neat, these old ACs. Obviously, maybe not as useful as a full-size tractor, but pretty neat either way. Farmall Cub down there. Always loved me a Cub. Alright, let's head down the row. As you can see, we have many rows to cover. So this is going to be a multi-part series for sure. So, you know, stick with me on that. Farmall Cub. Got that little disc back there. That's very cool, I think. Really neat. I was told by my wife I have to go slower, that I go too fast through my videos here, so I'm gonna try, guys. You know, I'm obviously an amateur at this, so just bear with me. Look at this Silver King. I thought they were a cool looking tractor. They had a toy of these a while back. It was a real limited run. I kind of wanted one, but it was a little out of my price range at the point, and then now you don't see them anymore, so maybe someday. But I'd even take a 64th if somebody'd want to make one of those. Row Crop 77. Always love the side shield look on these. Like, it's just kind of a cool, sleek look. It's neat. We've got the old Deere GP. Everything's got their stacks covered today because the rain's starting to come down pretty good now. So I'm going to get good and wet before this thing's over with. But it's okay. It's worth it to see some tractors, and luckily it doesn't seem like anybody's in a hurry to get out of here. Yeah, I think this rain's going to set in for quite a while today, but the event does go on tomorrow too, so with any luck, there'll be plenty. Now the toy show will go on no matter what, because we're inside, we're air conditioned, it's great. We're having a real fun time. 4630. Oh, here's that 7520. I believe I got some footage of it last year. I mean, gosh, what a cool four-wheel drive 7520 is. Got a big disc back there. I mean, this fellow just came from work. Took the door off the side, so I'm assuming that means that air conditioner up top doesn't work. But it's pretty cool either way.
Get a big tractor.
You gotta love muscle tractors. Here's a trailer of some old Sears tractors. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a shot down this big row, and then we'll move over to here. Coming up on 4 minutes on this video. I'm thinking I'm gonna make them like 6 to 8 minute videos, so maybe that'll cover a row and a half or so, and then maybe I can do this in about 3 or 4 videos, because I don't want you guys to have to watch 20-minute videos just to see what's going on here. I always kind of wanted one of these too, but you're gonna hear me say that a lot. 1750 Oliver. What beauty. Wide front. Got a radio up there, covered up right now because of the rain. Old Massey 44 looking good. Still kind of in its work clothes. There's the younger brother to the 4020. Nice weights out front. Got a single wheel weight there on the rear. Those tires look pretty fresh, so on the rear anyway. Oh, this rain's picking up, guys. And while I got a chance, please like, share, and subscribe these videos and all of our videos if you can. Feel free to post them all over Facebook and wherever else. Just trying to get this channel to grow a little more. We're at 10,000, and we are going to do a 10,000 giveaway. I promise. I just have some real life things that I'm taking care of, and once I kind of get through that and can get where I'm focusing, we're gonna do some stuff for you guys, because I really do appreciate everything. This A is beautiful. Farmall Cub pulling a family through the show here. Look at this DC case. I always loved those. I love how you can see the steering linkage out front. I don't know, that was cool to me. 861 Power Master, and then its big brother, the 9600. Check that guy out. Boy, you just don't see too many well restored 9600s yet. Super cool. What a beautiful tractor. Ron and Darlene Cromer on the front of that. So if Ron and Darlene would happen to ever stumble across my humble little channel and see that, beautiful. Thank you for bringing that out. I really am enjoying looking at that. There's an ACC with the sickle bar mower. That's really cool. I always like sickle bar mowers. I don't know why, but I just always think they're cool. I don't think that's not the standard fenders, right? I'm pretty sure that's not the standard fenders on that. Got a, let's see, this is a SC case, right? Again, beautiful. And then the D, I always thought they looked beastly. I mean, I get it's still a little tractor, but I just always thought they looked cool. And then we got the DC, of course, beside it, narrow front. Case 1070. I think we're gonna start seeing these come in more and more to the classic tractor world. I sure hope so anyway. I think they're always a cool looking tractor. You know, 76, kind of hard to believe, but by gosh, that's, holy cow, that's almost 50 years ago, guys. It took me a minute to do the math there. Wow. We'll get to this Massey Ferguson 50 down here, and then I will move to another video. I guess I'm going to try to walk through the hit and miss engines as well. So I know nothing about hit and miss engines for the most part, but it's neat. I love hearing them run. I think a lot of you guys will too. The old Massey 50. Got the Ferguson system decal on the side. I don't know. For some reason, young me just always thought that was cool. Got the decal with a little plow right there. I just think that's neat. All right, guys, that'll wrap up part 1. Part 2 coming soon. Thanks for watching. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Trying to get this channel to grow. I got a lot of things I want to do in the next year that involve toy tractors, real tractors. I'll talk to you about it in a later video. Thanks, guys.